What if you only needed 138 words to get by in Spanish? And what if those 138 words could give you as many as 88,000 Spanish phrases? In just a moment, I'm going to share with you a simple method I discovered for speaking Spanish quickly and easily. You take just 138 words and use them to make as many as 88,000 Spanish phrases. You're a beginner who has never spoken a word of Spanish. Or you've taken other courses and you've tried hard to make those courses work, yet you still struggle with conversational Spanish. You find you can't string Spanish sentences together confidently and freely. You want to learn the language quickly for business, travel, or relocation. You're over 40 and you don't feel learning is as easy as it used to be. By the way, we'll make it easy for you again.